Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a little tutorial for BB Craft. I am trying to melt the wax right now. I got this stamp. It's books with a coffee cup with steam and some leaves around it. I got that from BB Craft. All of this other stuff I already had, but I want to show you because BB Craft does have similar things. This is a silicone mat that you can put it in so that you get a perfect circle. This is a little stirrer, and then of course you have your burners. And like I said, none of these are from BB Craft. These are what I already owned, had in my stock, but they do sell very similar products. This is a piece of granite, and you can buy them. They're smaller and usually like an octagon, and that's a good thing to do your wax seals on. And of course you can use wax paper to do your seals on. However, sometimes they will stick to wax paper, wax or parchment paper. So you're better off getting one of these two things to do wax seals. This is almost melted. The little stirrer, if I had it to buy again, I wouldn't. I don't know if BB Craft sells these. I'm pretty sure that they do, but it's a little spoon at the end. It actually has a cup. It would be better if it was a paddle instead of a cup, because the cup holds the wax in it and then it's hard to get it out. So I'm going to do a few seals of this so I have them in stock. Plus I am doing a journal, a guest design team for Line Dot Arrow, and that's why I got the wax seal, because it's the kit is books and botanicals, so the wax seal is perfect. This one is just about melted. So I'll show you. Oh shoot, I wasn't thinking. Can't do it in here. The wax to the seal isn't a circle. Oh my goodness. And it doesn't look like that's enough, and I even added an extra one. Well, I will make this something else. Sorry about that. Now I don't know, it was this one. Let me add a couple more in there. Alright, usually I do 4. I'm going to do 6. I did 5 on this one here. And that's the, see how easy that comes off of there? And so normally it's 4, and it should be 4. I'll have to cut around this to get this edge off of here. Alright, totally wasn't thinking about that, right? I add a pearlized white one to do like a marble effect, but you don't want to stir it too much if you do that. Let's just color this one in while we wait. I don't know what that says. The fabulous and beautiful lover. Is that what that says? Oh my goodness. I don't know where I got that one from, but all right, this one is just about melted. I'm glad I have 2 of these. I can still feel a chunk, so it's almost. That's a pretty color. I hope that's enough because these little cups really only fit about 6 in them. Yeah, that's not going to be enough. And I don't think it was hot enough. Alright, we're going to try 7. This one's almost melted. I got the image. Let's take a look. It has so much detail to it. And these pens you can find at BB Craft as well. Alright, that one's good. Let's go like this instead of making a circle. Slowly press it down. Let's try a different color. I think 7 is our lucky number. And that will pop right off of there once it's totally dry. Never had one stick. So this one came out good. Let's try the gold. This might be the one that I used in my journal. Very nice. Yeah, I like that. That one seems to melt faster. And that one had a used candle in it. And this one had a new candle. I'm right over it, but this one is faster. I don't know. So this is the journal. And maybe, now that we know how to do it, maybe I'll do the wax seal right in the journal. But I don't know where I want it. Maybe I should put it on the envelope. There's really not a place unless I do it right there. Do it here and have it turned around. Maybe I'll do it right on the envelope. It's coming along. Oops. This handle is loose. Oh, see, this one's done, and it shouldn't be done first. Come on, let's hope we don't screw this up. Make sure I have it right side up. Awesome. So do y'all like playing with wax seals? I do. I make them, I have a little container where I have some done up in. And make sure you clean them while they're still hot so you can get that wax off. But don't burn yourself. That metal's hot. Oh, that could have been there a little longer. So that turned out pretty cool. All right, I think we should do gold. And you don't have to use the pens if you don't want to. It just brings it out some so you can see it better. So here we go. Isn't that pretty? And then we have these. They turned out really nice. Now they can go in my drawer and I will have them for next time. And here it is. It's very nice. It comes with the handle. The handle can be taken off and used for other ones if you ever buy any that don't have a handle. Like I have just a few, but most of them do come with a handle. It's very detailed, as you can see. Very nice. And don't forget there is a 10% off code, and that is down below. That is Christina10. That's in the description box, as well as the link to the wax seal and the link to the website. So I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.